And did you know ukuthi umuntu akhonze angawa angasukuma uba more dangerous than before?
Amen.
Yes. Mbuzo ukuthi why? Ask me why. Une experience. And ukhona ukuqeda nalaba ebazowa ebangawanga ukuthi ungaya lendlela lezolima. Nengizwe? Nalaba abantu bayawe uthi don't go there, I've been there, I've done that, don't go there. And then ubaphula with love at I've got the scar of where you're heading to. And then guess what? Most of the time uNkulunkulu usebenzisana nomuntu then nalona zange awe isikhathini esiningi. UPaul the apostle was brutally. He was a man that will ask for a letter. I want to kill this person. Paul but the day no Jesus, I'm blind for 3 days. The same zeal and the same power. Why 7 this against the system you are supporting? That's why Paul was here. Paul so King Agrippa. King Agrippa bekamfundisa konke amalona yonke lento. King Agrippa, Paul was intelligent. Paul was a lawyer. What nagamile before? King Agrippa, listen to this. Paul what nagamile if amagama wakhipha. What you King Agrippa, I was not disobedient to the heavenly vision. UPaul wabe kakhulu kuba nabo babona ngoba lento abayipushayo uyayazi that's why bekathi mina ngizozimela. But the Paul is here. What your King Agrippa, I was not disappointed. Uthi umono wezulu azange udelele. Bazalwane lento engishumela la, umono wezulu ungawudeleli. Ngoba uza ne-package ne-gift. That's why uPaul wathi angudelelanga or angudebezelanga umono engawubona obuye ezulwini wangenza ngahlale ngaboni amalanga amathathu. I was not disobedient to the heavenly vision.
Amen.
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 And I'm preaching what Paul preached. Amen.
Amen.